Auscultations for my brother. A penny in your pocket, a suitcase in your hand. They won't get you very far. From 21st Century Man, the album Time, Electric Light Orchestra. Family photographer, when you died, we had no snaps to testify to your existence, except a few. One, dressed in suit and tie for Year 12 graduation. The irony, you'd said, I'd never be caught dead in that. Yet it appears laid out for viewing, the sartorial choice contradicted your utterance. We scrambled for anything to recover you, drawings, sketches, notes from cramming for exams. Suddenly a path was recalled, leading to a Milo team of all things, odd capsule, a hodgepodge of mementos, set for reveal 50 years later, our Voyager probe, never escaping family orbit. The tin itself struck by the axe to smash path open, broken, already rusted, 2 years in. Tapes, your teenage voice breaking, rusty also, sparring with us kids. At one moment, a little sister says, I'm bored. You, only boring people get bored. And yet you were always busy, faux scientist with unearthly ambitions, later turned into myth. Scattered remains paired with the voices in our heads, the deep listening, memory itself a viewfinder, auscultated in dreams.